In this video, let me show you how to use Zillow's affordability calculator for your salary. So if you want to know if you can afford a particular listing or a property from Zillow, what you want to do is head over to the application and then simply tap on the horizontal lines or the hamburger menu that is being displayed on the top left of the screen. Once you're inside, you need to expand the rent section so that this tool appears. Underneath the tools for renters, you'll be able to see the first option which says estimate what you can afford. So this is the exact calculator that you need. You'll need to enter in your monthly net income, your monthly debts, your monthly savings, as well as your monthly expenses. Once you add in all of these numbers, you'll be able to see exactly a figure on how much that you need in order to be able to afford a rent for this particular property. So you can also increase or decrease these numbers, and these numbers on the top will also change by default. So using this exact section or this tool, you'll be able to know your affordability for a particular rent using your salary. If this guide video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next video.